Feminine charm. Tips to enhance your attractiveness. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of femininity and attractiveness. Whether you're aiming to exude more confidence or simply want to enhance your charm, this video is for you. Tip number 1. Embrace your unique style. Fashion is a powerful tool to express your femininity. Experiment with different styles, colors, and textures that resonate with your personality. Tip number 2. Posture and body language. Stand tall, shoulders back, and exude confidence. Your posture not only influences how others perceive you, but also impacts your own sense of empowerment. Tip number 3. Enhance your natural beauty. Embrace skincare routines that suit you, skin type, and enhance your features with makeup techniques that highlight your best attributes. Tip number 4. Cultivate inner confidence. True attractiveness stems from within. Practice self-love, positive affirmations, and surround yourself with supportive individuals who uplift and inspire you. Remember, enhancing your femininity isn't about conforming to societal standards, but rather embracing your authentic self and radiating confidence from within. I'm Minhu, signing off. Thank you for joining us today on this journey to unlock your feminine charm. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.